Hello everybody, I am Divyanshu Ranjan Sahu of class 9 reading in Delhi Public School Raulkela. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about artificial neural networks. Now, before we understand about artificial neural networks, we must know about a term known as artificial intelligence. Now, here the question arises, what do you mean by artificial intelligence? The capacity given by humans to machines to memorize and learn from experience, to think and create, to speak, to judge and make decisions. It is the process of making a machine intelligent using various AI techniques. Here, AI techniques include natural language processing, robotics, and etc. Now let's study about artificial neural networks. The first question that must be coming to your mind is what is an artificial neural network? An artificial neural network, or simply a neural network, is a series of algorithms that tries to recognize underlying relationship in a set of data through a process that mimics the way in which the human brain operates. Here is the structure of a neural network. In this diagram, you can see three layers. The first one is known as the input layer, the middle one is known as the hidden layer, and the last one is known as the output layer. In the input layer, the data is being given to the machine, and in the hidden layer, the input data is being processed, and in the output layer, the output is being given out. Now, after knowing what is artificial neural network, you must be thinking about the working principle of artificial neural network. Now here's the answer to your question. We will understand the working principle of artificial neural network by a step-by-step method. First, when we give the input data, the machine divides the data into small units. Here, each unit is known as a pixel. Then it extracts the main features from the given data, or you can also say from each pixel, like the lines, the edges, the corners, and etc. Then it connects all the features which it had extracted from the given data and gives us the desired output. In the similar way, here is an example of a dog. First, the machine divided the input data into small units. Then it extracted the main features from the given data, and then it connected all the features and gave us the output that it is a dog. Now let's know, is there any relationship between the neural system of our brain and the artificial neural networks? The answer comes yes. The working system of both are the same, but only the components of the human brain differs from artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is an attempt to copy the working interconnected neurons in humans. Inside computers, instead of neurons, perceptrons work in parallel and exchange information among themselves. And this is the difference when we compare human neural system with artificial neural networks. Now let's understand the structure of an artificial neural network in detail. Now, as we have seen earlier, the structure of an artificial neural network, it was having three layers. The first layer was the input layer, and the second one was the hidden layer, and the last one was the output layer. And remember one thing, that there can be as many number of hidden layers between the input and output layer depending on the amount of data given to the machine. Now let's understand the structure of an artificial neural network. An artificial neural network is essentially a system of organizing machine learning algorithms to perform certain tasks, or in other words, at every node of an artificial neural network, a machine learning algorithm is being given. Now you must be thinking here, what is a node? Now listen, a node is the computational unit that combines the input and output connection in a machine. Nodes are then organized into layers to comprise a network. Now let's come to the types of neural network. On the basis of their function, neural networks are of 5 types. The first one is the artificial neural networks, about which we read just now, and it is mainly used for pattern recognition. Next comes the CNN, that is convolutional neural network, and it is mainly used for image processing. Next comes the RNN, that is recursive neural network, and it is mainly used for speech recognition. Next comes the DNN, that is deep neural network, and it is mainly used for acoustic modeling. DBN, that is deep belief network, and it is mainly used for cancer prediction. This is all about artificial neural network. Thank you all for watching my video. Have a nice day.